So unfortunately the sun is behind me, so you're not going to be able to see my face very well, but I ran out of... Oh, look at this hair sticking out the top. Oh well, we'll leave it. Oh, I made it worse. Oh, kinda. Yeah, so ran out of matte black paint, so gotta go get some. Fun times. Already is sunny today, so spring is here. I've got my spray paint. Let's go spray some lenses matte black. Welcome to my shed. So I bought sanding blocks, a pack of 8 of these, so I can sand some stuff, and then spray paint, matte spray paint, which is exactly what I need for this project from good old prop bad job in Minehead. You know what? I bought my light out here for the lighting for my second camera. This is just on my phone, by the way. But I don't think, you know what? I don't think I'm gonna need it. It's so warm today. It's 22 degrees out of here. I apologise. I have chickens. Yeah, it's 22 degrees today. Spring is finally upon us. It's been like a couple weeks of blah weather, and now it's all sunny and beautiful outside, as you guys just saw. I also bought some new jeans. They're green. They're not jeans, they're chinos, get it right. I'm just giving the paint a good shake. I am actually going to put these here gloves on as well. I don't really think you need this camera anymore, so... Oh, I just broke the frickin' gloves. Blimey. Hang on. I have like an entire pack. Oh, they're right there, look, you can see them. Vinyl gloves. They're not latex. I'm not allergic to latex or anything. These are just cheaper. So, again, from Proper Job. I also have these masks, but I'm in a very ventilated area. I'm in my shed, so I ain't gonna need them. Anyway, goodbye to this camera. So yeah, matte black spray paint, homecoming lenses. I'm actually gonna wait. Here we go. You can see them a little bit better now, can't you? I'm only gonna give them a light spray because I feel like that's all they need, because they're fairly matte anyway. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. And oh yeah, if you're gonna use pins, go ahead and make sure that you don't want to use them anymore, or you don't mind them being spray painted black.
Like all of my pins are now black. Keep missing some. Okay.
Some areas of this are a little bit thick now, so I'm just gonna double check under here. We go a bit further away, and actually I have a feeling that coat will probably do. It's quite warm out here, so you know it's going to be fine to just leave them. Whereas when I was doing my TASM 2 ones, I left them out here and the paint bubbled just because of how cold it was. And oh my god, there are so many flies in here, I've just realised. That is... Hang on, I'm gonna grab this camera again. Like, seriously, there are actually... Like, so these are the lenses. Yeah. I look up and oh my god. Ah! There's my camera. Good lord. That's gross. So, that's fun. Yeah, I'm gonna leave these to dry, see what happens. When I come back to them, they should... Fingers crossed, touch wood, and plastic. This is a plastic box I just touched. They should be okay. I would just like to point out that this is going to be the outro for all of the videos. So, yeah. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. If you want to see part 2, then stick around. It'll be uploaded in the future, or, you know, if it's already uploaded, go ahead and watch the next one. But yeah, thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've learned something. I certainly did whilst making this. If you want to check out T-Jack's work, his link to his Instagram has always been in the description down below. And other videos related to this, like how to stick the 3D emblems on, and my Amazing Spider-Man 2 fog free lenses, are up in the YouTube card and down in the description below. So if you are wanting to see those, go ahead and check those out as well. But thank you very much for watching this series, guys. I'll see you in the next one.